Ben Franklin fans, I'm Christy and I'm the art director at We Are Memory Keepers, and I'm here to show you our new wire bending tool, the Happy Jig. So we're really excited about this one. It comes in a kit with 100 pieces. You get 95 pegs, you get wire cutters, and then you get 3 different colors of wire to get you started. As you can see here, this is how it comes packaged, and your wire is down here. It also includes an instruction book that tells you how to use it, but then also has about 20 cool designs in it for you to reference. And we give you everything that you need. We give you the amount of wire, the amount of pegs, and where to place them. And if you look here, this gold line is a really cool feature that we have. And that is if you want to add a paper clip to any design. We give you the instructions on how to do that. And then we also have our Instagram account, which is at We Are Happy Jig. And on here, right now, we have about 80 more designs for you, including the entire alphabet. There are tons of projects and inspiration that you can use for how to use your wire. But if you swipe on each post, you'll get your instructions on how to do each of those as well. Now go ahead and demo it now real quick. So this one is hello, and I already have it set up. But as you can see here, it's told me exactly where I can put the pegs and tells me where I need to start. Let's grab some wire. Alright, so the pegs lock in so they don't pop out while you're using them. And you push them out from behind to get them out. And each design will have a starter peg, which is this peg with a slot here. And that holds the wire for you nice and snug so it's not moving all over the place at the beginning. And then you just follow the design that we have laid out, or you can of course come up with your own. And each peg has a shallow groove to help hold the wire as you're going so it doesn't pull up over the top quite as easily. And our wire is sturdy, but it's also soft. So it's really easy to bend, and it's not going to snap or break on some of those more complicated designs. There you go. And then once you're done, you can just go ahead and go through and just gently pull up on the different parts of the design. And then each design has a little bit of extra wire on it, and you can use that to help attach it to anything, or you can just easily snip that off. And you have your word. All right, thank you.